Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we break down the best tech gadgets you should know about. And today, we're diving into what we believe is the best mirrorless camera for beginners, the Olympus E-M10 Mark IV. If you're just getting started in photography or content creation and want something lightweight, intuitive, and powerful, this is the camera you've been looking for. Let's start with design. At first glance, the E-M10 Mark IV carries that classic retro Olympus charm. It's compact, well-built, and extremely portable. Whether you're traveling through a mountain trail or exploring the city streets, this camera is made to fit into your everyday carry. But it's not just about looks. This little machine is packed with features that punch way above its weight class. At its heart is a 20-megapixel live MOS sensor, giving you crisp, detailed images. Whether you're shooting in daylight or capturing a night scene, the quality holds up beautifully. And if you're a fan of shooting in RAW, yes, it supports RAW image format for post-processing flexibility. One standout feature is the in-body 5-axis image stabilization. This helps reduce blur caused by camera shake, and it works brilliantly, especially when you're shooting handheld or in low-light situations. It's capable of compensating up to 4.5 stops of shutter speed, which is a big deal if you're capturing fast action or shooting without a tripod. Now let's talk about usability. The flip-down touchscreen monitor is a game-changer for vloggers and selfie enthusiasts. Flip the screen down, and the camera automatically enters selfie mode. This means facial detection autofocus kicks in, and you're ready to go. No fiddling with settings required. For those who love creativity, the Mark IV doesn't disappoint. It comes loaded with 16 art filters, including the new instant film filter that gives your shots a nostalgic vibe. It's an easy way to experiment with styles without needing editing software. And speaking of easy, the camera's always-on Bluetooth connection allows seamless pairing with the iShare smartphone app. You can instantly transfer images to your phone, share them on social media, or even control the camera remotely. This is ideal for solo creators who want to frame their shots perfectly without running back and forth. Let's not forget video. The E-M10 Mark IV offers full HD video recording with solid performance, and the stabilization ensures your footage looks smooth. It may not be a 4K powerhouse, but for casual creators and vloggers, it absolutely gets the job done. Now, in terms of lens compatibility, this camera uses the Micro Four Thirds mount, meaning you have access to a wide variety of lenses, from budget-friendly primes to professional zooms. It's a system that grows with you, which is perfect for beginners who want to gradually step up their game. The digital zoom function also gives you up to a 2x multiplier, so you can get a bit closer to your subject even if you're using a prime lens or one without telephoto reach. If you're ready to level up your content creation or photography game, this might be the perfect entry point. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss our deep dives into the best tech out there. See you in the next one.